Me and my husband have an automotive shop we own where we're thinking of selling it because cars are going electric. Is that the wrong thing to do? Should we keep it?
Yes, I think it'll be good for years to come. Not everybody's able to buy an electric car. And, if it happens, it'll evolve into that, and so will your shop. So be thinking about not closing it up, be thinking about how you need to evolve as things evolve. And so I think what you have is what people need. Just to give you for instance, my wife drives a brand new car. I drive a 2014. My car has 200,000 miles on it, and it's a Mercedes diesel engine. All right. And I'm really particular. I save my money. I don't spend it when I shouldn't. And so one of the most valuable things that I have, to answer your question, is a guy named Ted Hannipol, who works on older Mercedes Benz, and he is a crackerjack. He gives a great value for his service. And everybody I know in Charleston, South Carolina, who's driving a Mercedes Benz who doesn't have a warranty on it anymore goes to Ted Hannipol at Black Forest Imports to have him work on their car. So to answer your question, you have a very valuable asset. Just treat it like Ted Hannipol treats his.